having a good day. Just like every video, if you can guess the boat ramp, you get a shout out in the next video, unless you directly know where the boat ramp is. But yeah, this is going to be a boat test. I didn't even put the rods in the locker. I woke up at 10 a.m. today. I was like, you know what, I feel like God is telling me that it is time to fish, because I've been on spring break right now, so no homework. And I just got done with all these upgrades, and I rushed them because my sister wants to go out on Sunday, so I figured I'd get everything done so we can go hang out with her. And she's got a new boyfriend she's taken, so I didn't want to film my grand reveal boat meeting him for the first time, so I'm going to do it here today. Oh, this is beautiful and loud. So a couple of things I did off camera that you guys aren't going to see is I moved the gas pedal. Before, I would have to sit there and like really extend my leg. I have to sit on the edge of my seat to get to it. But now it's to the point where I can get to it like easy. It's right there by my foot. I bought some JB Weld. One of the subscribers actually recommended it to me. I'm gonna put it on my glass and see if I can get it fixed. Just talked to that guy at the boat ramp. He was not a very happy camper with me for some reason. Tell him how cool it would be to live in a sailboat. He said it wouldn't be, so take his word. Motor's running great. Gotta check the oil leakage. I just refilled the hydraulic steering fluid. I gotta get that replaced this summer probably, because it is working good right now, but yeah, it has its issues. Yeah, hopefully we'll catch a couple fish. I think that'd be pretty cool. I'm on a little hot streak. I went out with my grandfather 2 weeks ago. Didn't film it. I'm not really into filming and all, but caught 2. Put up a good fight. It was on my new rod. It was a lot of fun. And like I said, today I just want to enjoy the boat. I changed the oil in the trailer hubs and it works perfect, you know. Checked them, made sure they weren't too hot. And I don't usually come to this boat ramp, so I'm sure someone will recognize the boat ramp, but it's too steep, and when I go to take it out, it's probably gonna take me a couple times. I've never caught a fish in here, so I wanted to go somewhere not too close to my house because I wanted to really see if the hubs were gonna get hot or not. So took a little like 15-minute drive and felt the hubs, and obviously they were not hot. But yeah, so I'm gonna get up here and might cut the video short a little bit after we get through this bridge, but then I'm going to set the trolling motor up, and yeah, we'll go at it. I'll show you guys around, show you the new storage system. It's gonna be a little quirky because I already popped the rope out of the bag, so. But you guys, I'm sure you guys all have great imaginations watching my videos, so I'm sure you'll be able to look at it and see the intentions behind it. Yeah, I'm very excited. New floor feels great. I mean, there's a couple soft spots, or not soft spots, weird spots like right up there where I'm not really too good with fiberglass or carpet, so it did overlap and it looks kind of tacky right there. And there's a couple places where I stepped on I put too much glue on the carpet, so like 4 days later I came out and stepped on it for the first time, and boom, glue through the carpet. This whole canal is actually no wake zone, so kind of a boring video for you guys. But I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so I'm not ready for the tour yet, but I just came across like 5 turtles sunbathing. Or, yeah, turtles actually. Look at them, all 5 of them. There's one little baby one, probably just hatched not too long ago. You guys haven't met my turtle, but I have a turtle at home. Or tortoise at home. Oh, scared them off. That was pretty cool though, all 5 of them sunbathing. Alright, yeah, next time I see you for real, unless there's like a big alligator or a manatee, it will be the boat tour. Now for the grand tour. So start here in the back, work our way up, but it looks really good right now. So back hatch, gonna pop it open. We have 2 of these blue life jackets stacked on top of each other. Got a rope bag, which is that rope up there, and then I got the medical box, and then my important documents box. Got my other bag of rope, and then I got hydraulic steering fluid and a funnel. Boom, that one's done. Now we'll go to the back. So in the back we have the batteries, gas tanks, charger. I got this little thing here, but I'm kind of monitoring it because I keep pulling it out because under there I can see if there's water in the boat or not. But I'm checking it because when I was actually working on the boat, I pulled a pipe out on accident. I meant to replace it, but I did the stupid thing. I did not replace it. But, and now let's go in this other hatch. This is just 2 more life jackets and an anchor. I keep 4 life jackets in here. But obviously whenever I go fishing and stuff with like one person, I'll take these 2 life jackets out, keep those 2 so we can wear them, and then put all the fishing stuff in here. But for right now, we're going out Sunday. Oh, my fire extinguisher sauce in there. Nothing in here yet. I'll put those waters in there if I want it to look super clean. Up here is my throw cushion. Lift this up, grab it. Really couldn't find a good place for that other than in the bottom of those, but you guys should know that's not allowed. It's gotta be somewhere you can easily grab it. Once again, there's the cockpit, under the cockpit. There's the foot pedal I moved up. It's so much nicer being able to sit with my back on this and steer and be able to give her full power now. Because before I would be sitting on the edge of the seat, my foot all the way back here, and it was just never comfortable. Now I can get a smooth little ride in. Oh, I forgot the live well. Haven't bought hatches for these yet, but I need to. Live well, it's full. That's good, I guess. I don't really comprehend how that works. Maybe someone could explain how the live wells fill themselves up in the water. This one's not full. This one's, I need to clean it out. I don't really use live wells. And then last hatch is right here. Rods, and then all my fishing stuff. Like I said, usually I'd put the fishing stuff in there, but I'd already loaded that one up for the weekend, so didn't want to do it. Up here, got this wonderful, light on, wonderful panel my girlfriend made in a previous video. It's looking good as ever. Trolling motor, repainted as you guys saw in that video. Big glue in the back of this. My nav light, and I need to buy a new nav light for the back. The back one honestly doesn't work, but so the next couple projects we're gonna be working on while we're up here. And I'll just troll us around. The next couple projects are probably going to be simple stuff. Like, I need to fix the seats, make them look nicer. The paint obviously is an issue. I got a couple ideas on how to fix that from the previous owner that he told me. What else? I got to reconnect my battery charger. The one where you charge all your batteries connected to one. Some dogs over there fighting, but not play fighting obviously, but got to get a cover for that fuse panel. And then one of the big projects we're gonna have to work on here shortly is gonna have to be this dash. None of it works. Trim doesn't work. PSI, I don't even know what PSI it is, so if you're a subscriber and you know what that does, let me know. And miles per hour gauge, speedometer does not work. RPM gauge worked for a little bit, it doesn't work anymore. Temperature gauge does not work. Fuel level does not work. Like, there's a bunch of stuff. This fuel switch doesn't work. I have to use the Easy Buddy back there. Fireball stuff apparently works though. That's cool. I didn't even know how to do that until today. Oh, there's my aerator for the back. Oh, cool. Bilge pump obviously works. Lifesaver. No water in here right now, which is good. But yeah, so I guess I'm trying to think if there's anything else I'm looking to do. Maybe find a depth finder for the front. I don't know how that would work. So I have a depth finder here, depth finder hook up there. I don't know how that would work, to be honest, because you see that. It's a little bitty thing. Well, here in a second, I gotta actually get ready. I'm gonna start fishing. Fish for like an hour, maybe. I don't really enjoy fishing too much alone, but I'm willing to try it. I enjoy catching fish, so maybe if I get something working here. My grandfather got me a lot of worms for Christmas, so saved me some money, so I can use his worms that he gave me and try them out on my new rod. I'll probably start off with this blue one though, see if I can get anything. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any recommendations for the whole situation, the whole storage thing. It looks good. Oh yeah, one big thing I forgot. So I didn't do this yet, the carpet, because it's so hard for some reason for it to stick right on the lip. So but I like the way the blue looks instead of the carpet. So I think when I go to, in a couple weeks here, when I go to do like clean up all the other blue stuff, like with the wet sand and then the buff and everything, I've been researching a little bit, but let me know how you guys think I should do that. I mean, I got a bunch of corrosion spot. It really makes the boat look like crap. Oh, and I did add 2 cleats to the back next to my fuel pumps. I think that'd be the best option for like when we go out to eat over the summer and stuff. Like whiteys to hide in the air conditioning. But yeah, let me know if there's anything you guys think I should do. I mean, I didn't record some of the stuff because some of the stuff's boring. Like, who wants to see me do oil bath bearings when there's like 20 videos out there on how to do it already, and I'm the amateur. But yeah, I try and keep everything on YouTube, but sometimes it doesn't work. But yeah, hopefully, I'm just trying to make sure, because I don't like posting little videos for updates, so this is kind of like a big video for me. So yeah, I can't think of anything else. I'll show you guys the floor one more time. It's solid as it gets. Trust me, as soon as I got the carpet down, the first thing I did was I jumped from up there down to there to see if it would break or anything. And here's the money to clean the motor too. Someone's probably gonna tell me that, but yeah, anything in the comments you guys think is like a cool thing I need to add. Like, I'd like to add a swim ladder. I don't know if I could even do that anywhere. Oh yeah, I got stainless steel cup holders coming in. I think I'm gonna put it right here. There's two of them. I'm gonna put them both right here because, you know, when I'm driving, I don't really need to be holding a cup anyway. Not to mention there's no room for it, but yeah. All right, yeah, well, I'll see you guys when I got a fish in the live well that apparently works.